As you all know that the use of mobile devices has skyrocketed in the last few years and the trend is growing. According to IDC, the smartphone market is already larger than the PC market, which leads to mobile device management or MDM. So what is MDM? It's an ability to manage any device. So it can be a phone, it can be a tablet, or it can be even a laptop. Any mobile device from a central location, right? So example of that is Cisco Meraki and other companies that actually provides a central policy enforcement and management of these devices. And basically the goal is actually to protect those devices not only by providing patches but also by providing policies from your central location. Like in this case it is Meraki in the cloud, right? So from cloud you can manage devices within your organization, perhaps not installing the application and maybe that device camera enable, so you can actually specify the policies on how you want to manage those devices. Additionally, some of these devices are actually talk to other devices in the network like the ICE or Identity Service Engine to enforce further policies. Let's say you have an unmanaged tablet. Perhaps actually you don't want this tablet to accessing to a server in your organization. So there is policy that can be sent to a switch or firewall to actually block tablet from connecting to sensitive data or sensitive systems of your company and then allow tablet to actually connect to the internet or vice versa. This tablet only connects to some resources and it would not connect to the internet, right? So possibilities are endless. You can modify policies to block some applications or allow some content to transfer to internet or to communicate any other devices within the organization.